G'day, here's a few pieces of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. It's been wetted, it's been heavily tumbled as well, and because of that the colours aren't coming through as good, I don't think. And you can see the grey potch has got the colour in it there on a colour bar coming through. Red and greens. Lucky last but not least. Again, colour bar up the top there. It's been wetted, but I think because it's been tumbled, the scratches from the polishing medium has dulled the face, so the colours aren't coming through as brilliant, but judge it on what you can see. That's how I've priced it. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.